Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And all we have to do right now is to enter the settings which are in this upper panel. So let's tap. Now let's enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll and find or simply enter the name of the language you'd like to apply and then tap on it. Now we've got we can choose the keyboard types, so it's up to you whether which one you want to use. Of course, the amount of keyboard types or layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So just mark the option and tap on Done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, so you will leave only one language applied, I'd like to get back to the keyboard to actually show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Right now, after the update, your device will show you the hint of how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages. I'd like to explain it. As it was said, here we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. Currently, we've got the English layout, and after tapping on it, we can switch to the Urdu one. And the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now let me show you how to remove it. As I said, let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this step, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.